All right, for today's video, we have Pitaka's MagEZ Case 3 for the Pixel Fold. Looking at the packaging, it's very, very premium packaging from Pitaka. You have Pitaka branding there. You have a image of the case with the smartphone. MagEZ Case 3 Pixel Fold, a slim, stylish case with MagSafe craft from Aramid fiber. Pitaka phones, it says. On the back, a couple of features here: slim and lightweight, premium Aramid fiber, 3D grip, wireless charging friendly. Same thing right here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. So this just slides like that, very nice. And then you have a Pitaka brand with the logo there, varnish on the box itself, and this opens. This is magnetic. Look at that. Look at that. It unfolds just like the Pixel Fold, like that. Great presentation. Look at that, high quality. Oh baby, look at this right here. If you're looking for the absolute thinnest case, this is probably it right here. Boom. Looks very, feels very good. Feels very good in the hand. Pitaka, let's put that aside. Let's go to the other side first before we get into the case. You have a thank you letter from them. Did we get a sticker? The installation instructions on how to properly install it. And you have the cover case here for the cover portion. But look at that. Look at that presentation. Very, very awesome. So you do have an adhesive strip right here, and I believe you have an adhesive strip right here too. On this side of the case, you do have that MagSafe technology embedded into the case here, but this case feels absolutely fantastic. You got small Pitaka branding right there at the bottom portion of the case. Boom, looks good. Let's grab the Pixel, and snaps right in place. I don't even think you need this adhesive sticker peeled, because this thing just snaps in place. Maybe for the front cover you might need it. Now, I do have a tempered glass screen protector, and it is from Whitestone Dome, and I think it plays pretty nice with this case. It's right up at the edge, so it should be fine, but it feels amazing in hand. Soft touch, absolutely love it. You do have protection for the camera right there, plenty of protection, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. And you are going to have a lip here protected on the front, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its cover display on a flat surface. You are going to be protected, and it is tempered glass screen protector friendly, so it does look like it's going to work with the Whitestone Dome just fine. You got the cutout there for your earpiece. At the bottom, you got a cutout for your mic, speaker, charging port, and mic. Good on the top. Speaker and mic looking good. You do have the power button and volume rocker exposed, so no issues with that. It's going to unlock just fine. Now this does have MagSafe technology, and I do have a Pitaka wireless charging, and it does wirelessly charge with no issues. I don't think this is the MagSafe one, because this doesn't have magnets. I gotta get the updated one, but I do have a MagSafe charger here, and we're ready. See, and it kind of just goes in there. Look how strong that is. Now I don't have it plugged, but we just saw that it wirelessly charges with no issues. But looks good, feels good. This edge here by the hinge, it does not feel rough, feels nice and smooth and rounded. It does not feel bad in hand. Usually I did have a case that kind of had like a very sharp edge here, didn't feel comfortable. So either hand you hold it, it's gonna feel comfortable. Very, very slim profile, adds no bulk to your Pixel Fold. So this is absolutely looking fantastic. Look at this beauty right here. It absolutely feels fantastic in hand. It looks and feels fantastic. Let's go ahead and unfold this, and you do have a little bit of lip there around the inner display, barely protruding, but I'm not gonna lay my phone on the inner display like that face down. I recommend that you don't either. But with that being said, there you have it, guys. This is the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 for the Pixel Fold. If you have any questions regarding this case, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!